How to calibrate the left and right bending angles of a press brake. Hello everyone. During the use of an electro-hydraulic press brake, there may be an angle deviation between Y2 and Y1. When such an error occurs, we can use two pieces of plate material about 100 millimeters long, placed under the Y1 cylinder and the Y2 cylinder, and perform bending separately. After bending, measure the results to see if the angles are correct. Suppose each time we measure the angle on the Y2 side, it is always 2 degrees greater than the system value. After multiple bending and measurement cycles, we will find there is a consistent error. We can correct this in the system by adjusting the reference point of the Y-axis to correct our angle. Before modifying the reference point, we must first lower the upper die to the bottom. Once it reaches the bottom, the blade at the changeover point will stop. After that, we can perform the correction in the system. This is the DA53T control system. Enter the single-step interface. Set the bend-in length to 100 millimeters. Bend under the Y1 side cylinder and under the Y2 side cylinder, both at 90 degrees. Suppose through bending and measurement, the Y2 axis consistently has an angle that is too large. Then we can correct the reference point of the machine's Y-axis. First, enter the password. Enter password 32157. After entering, we will get a status bar. Before making changes, we need to note the movement offset of the Y-axis per degree of error. Suppose the bending angle is 90 degrees. The target value for the Y-axis is 156.29 millimeters. When the bending angle is set to 91 degrees, the Y-axis reads 156.21 millimeters. We can conclude that the error offset of the Y-axis per degree is 0.08 millimeters. When we input 90 degrees, the Y2 axis consistently returns a feedback angle of 92 degrees. Click Settings, click End, click Y-axis parameters. Open the feedback interface. You can view the reference point of the Y2 axis. Use the Y2 axis reference point to correct our angle. Previously, we determined that 1 degree of angle equals 0.08 millimeters. When the feedback angle is too large, the reference point position should be decreased. Through measurement, the reference point for the Y2 axis should be reduced by 0.16 millimeters. Enter the Y2 axis reference point as 24.97 millimeters. Click End. After the system restarts, perform another bending. You should now get a normal 90 degrees. If the error is in the opposite direction and the bending angle of the Y-axis is too small, then the reference point position should be increased. If the measured bending angle is too large, the reference point should be decreased. If the measured bending angle is too small, the reference point should be increased. Adjust the reference point accordingly based on the size of the angle error. That's all for today's introduction.